Hello fabulous people, I am Danietta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dietta. Today we're going to be testing out if the Lip Bar's Fast Face Kit is really fast. If you're a new viewer, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you'll never miss an upload of a new video where we talk about all things fabulous. If you are a return viewer, I appreciate you for coming back. Thank you for rocking with me. So if you guys have heard me talk, then you know that I might have the tendency to run late and often. So anything that I can do to add some time back to my schedule, I am here for it. So the Lip Bar, which is a beauty brand, they have a fast face kit that has 6 products in it that are supposed to help you get the look that you want in 7 minutes. Yes, 6 products. Look in 7 minutes. So even my cheat sheet makeup routine, I have a video for that. I will post it in one of these locations so you guys can see that. Even that bare minimum look takes me about 10 to 12 minutes. So if I can accomplish something in 7 minutes, then at a minimum, I'm getting 3 minutes back to my life. I can get out the door. I can at least try to be on time somewhere, right? Right. So let's get to the Fast Face Kit. This is the Fast Face Kit. Like I mentioned, it has 6 products. You're supposed to be able to get your look in 7 minutes, and I'll go through briefly and tell you what the 6 products are. So first up is the foundation. What I like about this foundation is the applicator brush. You can tell I've used it before. The applicator brush is already attached to it, so all you have to do is give this bad boy a little pump. Out comes your foundation, and then you apply it. If you're not sure about your foundation, they do have a matching system on their website. You can put in the color shade of a different face powder and or foundation that you wear or have worn in the past, and it'll give you a match. And there's also pictures and questions that you can answer that'll also help you find your accurate shade. And once you do that, then you can start shopping your Fast Face Kit based on your complexion. So what that will do is once you get your shade of foundation, it'll recommend the best blush that's gonna make your skin pop. It's gonna recommend the best shades of lipstick that are gonna make your skin pop. And then so you'll have a complete look based on the beauty and the specificity that is your skin complexion. And the thing I like about it, again, is representation matters. The Lip Bar has shades that match everything from your lighter complexions to your darker complexions. So nobody should feel left out when it comes to these shades. All right, so let's see what we got in here next. This is one of my faves in the Fast Face Kit. This is the 4-in-1 palette. So what I like about this is it's 4-in-1. So what we have here is we have a blush, we have our face powder, we have our highlighter, and we have our contour powder. Easy breezy. Even if you wanted to take this and throw it in your purse, like to touch your makeup throughout the day, 4-in-1. All right, and so next, mascara. I don't even have to explain this. Mascara is bae. Another thing I don't need to explain, eyeliner. For me, eyeliner is bae. So my eyes are very much heavily almond shaped, and so I like to do eyeliner typically every day on my waterline mark. It just gives me a more, look like I'm actually awake and not that I'm sleepy. And then we have the lip. So I like the liquid matte. If you've seen any of my pictures, I wear all of the shades, all of the colors. The colors pop, and that's one of the things that I like about the Lip Bars. Liquid lip is the colors are very, very vibrant, and I am here for it. So last in the kit, don't do me. So y'all ready? This is the 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil, but it's not supposed to be 2, it's supposed to be 1. I don't know what I was doing. One day I was trying to open it and I just was not reading the directions and not just doing a good job. And so I just made the process entirely too hard, and all I had to do was twist it off, but I'm over here like just clamping down on it, so I broke it in half. So again, it's not supposed to be 2-in-1, it's supposed to be 2-in-1. Not. We're better together, people. And so is this, but okay, so let's get to the test. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna start the stopwatch on my Apple Watch. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, it went away that quick. So we're at 0. I'm going to start it, and we're going to see how long it can take me to do my fast face. So I've worn the lip bar products, but I have not timed myself. I've never tried to do the fast face. I've worn some of the products together, but for the most part, I mix and match with other beauty makeup brands that I like. And so I'm using exclusively the lip bar products today, fast face. On your mark, get set. Let's shake and bake, Ricky Bobby. You see that? So this is gonna take me the longest, because let me tell y'all, the foundation for everything is how the rest of everything will go. And that goes for makeup, your relationship with God, everything. Hello? Catch that, somebody? All right. Boom! Okay, let me see. I'll take this off. I hope I didn't delete it. All right. Oh, when I take it off, I forgot it locks. Security. Security! Y'all, I have set a world record for my personal self. Now, when y'all see this video, don't think I'm gonna just automatically start showing up on time and stuff neither. So y'all, I did this whole look in less than 6 minutes. So I have some time to spare from the 7. So here's another product that if obviously because I'll have extra time in my schedule now, is I would use, it's their liquid eyeshadow. I really, really love this. Isn't that so pretty? Can y'all see that? So what I like to do with this one is I actually like to put it on my hand. Can y'all see that? Ooh, that's bad. And then Just gently pat it on my eyelid. So don't be afraid to get in there with your hands. You can use your hands to apply your makeup. You saw that I did that with the highlighter. You know, fun. You can have fun with it. It's not perfection. You're already perfect. So however you put it on, that's just how you gonna put it on. There's no rhyme or reason to apply makeup, and everybody has a different way of doing it. So watch YouTube videos for inspiration and then season according to your taste. All right, so there we go. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty. I like that. So you see how my blush, my eyebrows is cute. I'll buff them out a little bit more right here. Buff out your eyebrows, like the part that goes towards your nose. Don't be out here like with a block, making it blatantly obvious that we done filled them things in, ladies. All right, so that is my fast face. I really like that. I will put in the comments the color of everything that I have used in this video, including my palette, my foundation shade, and this lip that I'm wearing, so you guys can have the details for that. Have you tried the fast face kit, and were you able to beat the clock and do it in less than 7 minutes? Like, that's a win for me. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and even share it with your friends and family, anybody that you think might be interested in adding some value to their day, or laugh at some of the funny stuff that I have said and done, which is typical of Don Yetta. So again, if you're a return viewer, thank you for rocking with me. If you're a new viewer, I hope that you come back, subscribe, turn on those notifications. You guys be fabulous, and I will see you next time.